Hello, everybody. Today's content topic is a little story time. Around this time last year, I was heavily going to Planet Fitness, and I just want you to go in your mind and try to think of a time if you ever have had an outer body experience, but it's really to me an inner body experience because it happens within your body, but I'm guessing outside of the dimension or the real world. So picture this, Sicily.
All right, I can pick up a cue. Picture it. Sicily, 1912.
It's like I'm just playing. Picture driving in your car, listening to your music, whatever song is like your favorite song. You got the windows cracked a little bit, you feeling yourself vibing out mentally, like you're okay. You're not super happy, you're not super sad, you're just neutral. And I was listening to Prince, Could You Be the Most Beautiful Girl in the World? And all of a sudden, it was like I just went out of where I was at that point in time. I blacked out and I was driving. And so I just blacked out and I'm bawling, crying, like to the point snot dripping out my nose. I can't even see the road. Like I'm not there. I'm there, but I'm not there. And I didn't pull over the car. I kept driving, but I'm boohoo crying and like flashes of women. Like first it was women that I really don't care too much about, like just flashing. Like it looked like a TV screen and women are just like on a slideshow just going past, whoosh whoosh whoosh, all of these women, every woman I ever met in my life, like from childhood up into my age now, like I could see the flashes of all of these women going like on a screen through my head. And then like as it was coming to a close, it just said love, love. The voice said love. And then I heard it say is who you are now and this is who you are becoming, women. And it was like love, love, love. And what I took from that situation is we are all one. And every woman that I come across, every child that I come across, every creature that I come across, not just women, are where you used to be, like childhood up, who you were as a teenager, as a kid, at who you are now, and who you are becoming. Everyone is one, and you have to give people grace because they are in a position you once were in. They are where you are now, and they are who you are striving to be. So love and show kindness and grace, because sometimes when people get on your nerves and you just be like, I can't stand them or blah blah blah, that might be who you was when you was like a teenager or whatever, and you was selfish and you was just doing things your way and what you wanted to do, and you really didn't care for anybody else. You was just doing whatever was good for you. And we just have to show people grace, and that's in every aspect, not just female, but as humans, we're all one. And we have to start showing each other grace and just loving one another unconditionally. And that doesn't mean like just taking or accepting whatever people dish out to you. What I mean by loving people unconditionally is letting them be who they are, and you go be who you are, and you be great and let them be great too. It don't mean trying to control nobody or trying to change nobody. Just love them for who they are and keep it moving. And that's my message for today. And if you can relate, leave me a comment. I know everybody haven't had a outer body experience, but you still can relate. So bye guys.